Hey, today we're here at Discovery Green in downtown Houston, and we're going to take a walk and see what's here. All right, let's go. Here's the map of Discovery Green, and there's quite a few things here. We'll go ahead and check them all out. Here's an interesting sculpture here. And this is one of the entrances here. It has all these green areas, kind of a marshy area. This is Kinder Lake. And I'll go ahead and walk till the end of this walkway here, because from there you can see the bumper boat section. Also, it's a pretty nice view of the buildings down here. And if you haven't checked out my downtown Houston nighttime architecture walk, it was a blast. Doesn't look like anyone is bumping boats right now, but they do. The entrance to that is on the other side. They have all these urban sculptures and things like that. There's the one we saw at the entrance, and this mirrored thing here. Not sure what this is. It's the ticket booth. And that's where you get into the bumper boats right there. So it looks like there are some people that are going to the bumper boats. This is like a stage here. This is the Anheuser-Busch stage. And I'll scoot back a little bit here so you can see that. Where they have special events, concert series, things like that. There's also a seating area down here. That's the Grove Market and Park Provisions. You also get a better look at the George R. Brown Convention Center from kind of central Discovery Green. And there's the Hilton. You have a very nice view of all the buildings and whatnot down here from the middle. It's a nice shaded area. It also has public restrooms, which is something that can be hard to find around downtown Houston. See, the Grove Market and Park Provisions has snacks, beer, wine, and right now a big soccer thing because, well, it's FIFA time right now. And then over here, past the lake, a nice look up at where we are right now. There's the Marriott Marquis with the fabulous Texas pool on the top, on the roof. And this is the Gateway Fountain right over here. Here's a nice little picnic area over here. And also a seating area on both the lawn and over here next to the playground area. And we're going to take a walk over by another water feature here. Somebody left the sock down there, nice. And what I'm not seeing today, I'm not seeing any squirrels. Maybe it's too hot for them, I don't know. Kind of a look out across Discovery Green here as a whole. And we're going to be heading down this walkway right over here. Shows the soccer celebration sign over there. Discovery Green welcome. And that's a less shaded route right over there. But I like the most shaded route, especially since it's 94 degrees Fahrenheit today, which is kind of warm. And here's the statue of George R. Brown, who is a bigwig in Houston history. You can look him up, and I'll also link something down in the description section below. This building right here is the Grove, which is a higher end restaurant located within Discovery Green. That just dead ends over there into the George R. Brown Convention Center. And over here, this is a special event lawn. And on the other side over here, the Grove ends right here, the restaurants. This is a garden on the other side. A rather nice garden at that. Something a lot of people probably wouldn't notice if they came down to Discovery Green. But the well manicured flora here is very nice. In the backdrop of the Hilton and this building across the street. It's got a nice little reflecting pond here. Not sure what it's reflecting right now because the sun's basically right overhead at this point. You can take a walk through this garden. It's got a little kind of dirt / gravel path. Or paths, I should say. Seating area over there. Yet another picnic area. This kind of looks like cattails, but I'm not sure what that is. If you know what these things are, please let me know down in the comments below. And there's some kind of a stage area there. And the heart. Is that for Houston Has Heart or the Heart of Houston? What's your opinion? And we'll take a quick look here at the George R. Brown Convention Center. There's the Houston sign that goes over to the parking garage. And I also want to take a quick walk across the road to the big HOU sign. Well, it's not that big, but it's pretty big. And your support would also be appreciated because I'm not yet monetized and I'm currently on my lunch break from work. People getting their picture taken with it. There's the back of it. And it's pretty cool because you have the little jumping waters here with it. It's definitely good for a picture, right? Let me see if I can get a quick one here in my usual fashion. Okay, that's good. Anywho, it's a very nice area down here. This is what it looks like from across the streets. It's a 12-acre park in downtown Houston. Thanks a lot for joining me on this lunchtime walk here in this extreme heat. I want to say the heat index is 107 right now, so it feels nice and toasty. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, but for now, I'll see you in the next one.